Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create chart on the Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do now is just go open the Google Sheet application and open the documents that containing the information data that you want to visualize the data with. And here I already opened the data, and I would like to create chart from this data. So I already have a sales recap of Tamika v September in 2023 from these three outlets. I think I would like to take the outlet 2, the second outlet, to visualize the data. So the things that we have to do now is just go block the information that we want to export into the chart. So here I would like to block from B14 into C20. And after you're done, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to go click chart. Now you can just find out the type of chart that you want to add to. You can do it the pie chart, bar chart, columns, and so on and so on. I think I will let you go with the pie chart, and after that you just need to go click done. And now we already have the chart, and especially the pie chart for the outlet 2. So from this chart we can read that the highest amount that already sold by the Tommy Coffee September on outlet 2 is a cappuccino with 23.7% and coffee latte with 21.1%. So that's the way how to create chart on a Google Sheet. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.